Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of solo. Do it by one person only, not with anyone else. For example, he released his second solo album. American pronunciation. Solo. Solo. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Solo. Say. Solo. Solo means for or done by one person alone. Solo. Solo. Solo origin. Late 17th century musical term, from Italian, Latin solus, alone. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Is the work as satisfying as your more personal, solo artistic projects? Now, repeat after me. Is the work as satisfying as your more personal, solo artistic projects? The second practice. Is it time for a solo female anchor of one of these newscasts? Now, repeat after me. Is it time for a solo female anchor of one of these newscasts?
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.